Yeah, man, I never seen a filter this bad, man. You need to get a new one, all right?
Oh,
it's about to suck off in the unit.
So you want to change it?
No, you change it.
You don't have
No, I don't. You have to go to the store and buy you one. No. All right, HVAC people, we got a scorcher here. It says 90-something degrees in the house, and they had to evacuate. Let's see if we can get some footage. They're sitting in the car, folks. How you doing? All right. Got no cooler.
Oh man, you're so hot inside.
Let's see if we can get it taken care of for you. When you notice the problem, when it start happening?
Hold on.
Excuse me?
Hold on. Hold on.
Come on, man, I said 4 o'clock. I ain't gonna sit here in this sun, though. We can't get in the house?
I'm coming. Okay.
Like I say, when y'all noticed the problem, when did it stop cooling?
Start see everything.
Yesterday, Sunday? Okay. Alright. See what it do. 92 degrees. I just heard a blower motor. I used to go in that attic and peek, but it's way too hot in there. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. That's the hottest part of the day. So I'm gonna start out here today, folks. I got no fan, Probably going off on high. Yeah, press. I don't know if y'all seen that, but that fan is not turning on, but I'm glad they had the unit off. So let's see if it's let's see what's going on with it. Y'all think it's a cap or a bad fan, man? I got a feeling it's gonna be a fan. That's capacitor. I want to spin that blade though. We're gonna spin that blade. See if we got any play. It's spin kind of freely. So it might be in luck. Coil ain't too bad, but I know I can stand the cleaning. Alright, so we're gonna go to voltage. And somebody always tell me about the NLC setting on there where you can check and see if you got voltage on this thing. I always forget this. I like to use my little handy dandy tester. Alright, check voltage though. Yeah, I don't really trust that NCV like that. Alright, no voltage. Gonna discharge our cap. Alright. Discharge that cap. Let's check the fan. Alright. So we're gonna go to microfarads, see if we get anything on that fan. Alright. I got 0 on the fan. 0. So there might be a cap. Well, let's see. So we're going to see what size it is. Alright, so we got a 40 by 5. 40 by 5. Let's run and get a 40 by 5. Alright, so I got us a 40 by 5. We're going to replace it. And hopefully it'll fire up. Y'all know it hot in there when it's old school. You got the windows up. They just missing the box fan. So we got 4 terminals. We got commons, and we want to make sure these nice and tight. This same exact capacitor. So I don't know when this will change. This is one of my rent properties, so we're just gonna go back with one of these capacitors here. I got a so-called better one. Let's see here. It's a Herm, or more expensive one anyway. Alright. I hope this thing fire up. Get these folks some relief. Have to evacuate. Let's go. Awesome. Check the overall amps on it. Let's check the amps on that fan too. It's gonna be one of these black ones. We got 2 blacks right here. Right. I heard some. That was that pressure switch closed. I ain't got pressure switch on it yet. High pressure switch must have opened. I just heard it close, so we should fire up. Yeah. Got fan too. Look like the original fan. 0.8 amps. It's 410/8. Pressure's gonna be good because it's kind of hot up in there. So I'm not gonna worry about the pressure too much. I'm missing the cap on my liquids. We need to replace that. All right. Good man. It's 2.5. Fan rated for 1.1, compressor 12.8, so my fan is good. compressor. All right, other than that little cord need cleaning. And we good on this one. All right, should I tell them to go close some of the windows, folks? I think I can tell them to go close some of the windows. They can bring the family back home. All right, HVAC people, we out. On to the next one. All right. All right, HVAC people. Hey, y'all know my motto. When you think you've done enough, do a little more. Hey, so I'm gonna lead by example. I know how out here, but we're gonna clean this core for them a little bit. Just like this side here. I always look at that back side to fool you. Like I say, complimentary. We ain't doing, especially on these good ones, I ain't doing inside out. Look, missing screws already. That water hot too. Don't be too hot, though. I don't mind. Yeah, that thing is moving some good heat. Take your time. I never had a man. Don't look too bad though. Alright folks, hey, my grass green folks. People complaining about yard brown. It'll be brown if you don't put no water on it. That's when it is hot. All right, my man, you should be good to go.
You working out?
Yeah, you need to change the filter.
What?
Yeah. Hey, you need to change your filter. I don't know what happened to the filter. Needed a capacitor.
What?
And it need a capacitor and it need cleaning. When last time you changed this filter?
It's been long.
Huh?
I've been changing.
You never changed it. Yeah, you see it, don't look like it rust up in the unit. You got some, you got steps too? Let's see if I can reach it.
Just
No, I can't reach it with that. No. Let me see a chair. I'll take my shoes off.
you been out.
Yeah, man, I never seen a filter this bad, man. You need to get a new one, all right?
Oh,
It's about to suck off in the unit.
So you want to change it?
No, you change it.
You don't have
No, I don't. You have to go to the store and buy you one. No, we don't change those out.
Oh, you want to go buy it now?
No, you go buy it and put it in. I don't, you have to do that.
You can carry it?
No, you go buy it and put it in.
From which store?
Any store, Home Depot, Walmart. You see,
For like how much?
see Home Depot, $5, under $5.
I know that.
Yeah, you got to have it though. You got to put it back in there. It's not gonna work good. You see, it's 92 degrees. Yeah, it's gonna take a few hours though. Okay.
Okay.
It's very hot in there. They expect for it to cool instantly. 92 degrees up in here. It's gonna take a while. All right.
in straight.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes they come with arrows. See the arrow? See the arrow?
Let me take a picture.
You can see the arrow, it's gonna be here.
Huh?